Is your car feeling sluggish, burning more fuel than usual, or showing a check engine light for no obvious reason? The problem may not be your engine at all. It could be your mass airflow, or MAF sensor. This small sensor plays a huge role in how your engine performs. When it starts giving inaccurate readings, your vehicle can lose power, waste fuel, and even develop rough running issues. In today's video, we'll explain what a MAF sensor does, the 9 most common reasons it fails, and what you can do to help it last longer. Let's get started. 1. Dirt and oil contamination. Over time, dust, dirt, oil vapor, and even pollen can build up on the sensing element. Once the sensor becomes dirty, it can no longer measure incoming air accurately, leading to poor engine performance. 2. Engine backfires. A backfire creates a sudden pressure wave inside the intake system. That powerful burst can damage the delicate sensing element inside the MAF sensor, making it unreliable or causing it to fail completely. 3. Electrical problems, loose connectors, damaged wiring, corrosion, or short circuits can interrupt communication between the MAF sensor and the engine computer. Without a stable electrical signal, the sensor cannot provide accurate airflow data. 4. Water or moisture exposure. Driving through deep water or allowing moisture to enter the intake system can affect the sensor. Moisture may create electrical problems or gradually cause corrosion inside the connector or sensor housing. 5. Extreme heat. The engine bay becomes extremely hot during normal driving. After years of heat exposure, the sensor's internal electronics can weaken, reducing accuracy and reliability. 6. Incorrect cleaning methods. Many people accidentally damage their MAF sensor by cleaning it with brake cleaner, carburetor cleaner, or by touching the sensing wires. Only use a cleaner specifically made for MAF sensors and avoid physical contact with the sensing element. 7. Normal wear and aging. Like every electronic component, a MAF sensor doesn't last forever. Years of operation can slowly reduce its accuracy until replacement becomes necessary. 8. Performance modifications. Installing high-flow air filters, aftermarket intake systems, or turbo upgrades changes how air moves into the engine. If the engine management system isn't properly tuned afterward, the MAF sensor may produce inaccurate readings. 9. Chemical contamination. Vehicles driven in dusty industrial areas or places with airborne chemicals may experience faster sensor contamination. Certain particles and chemical residues can gradually coat or damage the sensing surface. How to prevent MAF sensor failure? Fortunately, preventing MAF sensor problems is usually simple. Replace your engine air filter on schedule to reduce dirt entering the intake system. Clean the MAF sensor only with a dedicated MAF cleaner whenever it's recommended for your vehicle. Inspect electrical connectors for corrosion or loose connections during routine maintenance. Avoid spraying water directly into the engine bay while washing your vehicle. If you install aftermarket performance parts, make sure they're properly installed and, if required, professionally tuned. Finally, have your intake system inspected during regular maintenance so small problems don't become expensive repairs later. A healthy MAF sensor helps your engine deliver better performance, smoother acceleration, and improved fuel economy. By understanding what causes MAF sensor failures and following a few simple maintenance habits, you can avoid unnecessary repairs and keep your vehicle running at its best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to FixPro Garage, and turn on notifications for more practical automotive repair tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.